How to create perpendicular line? Kind of we touched on this at the beginning of the video. Let's just do it very quickly. We have fraction here. That's good. Y equals, make the division line. 5 goes up, 2 goes down. You need the opposite sign. We have the negative here, so I'm going to keep it as positive. X. Now I'm going to write down whatever number I feel like. Plus 4. Let's create perpendicular line. 10 y equals 10 goes up, 3 goes down. Opposite sign, I'm going to give negative here. X minus 3. All right. How about here? I don't see fraction here. Let's assume we have fraction as the slope. So y would be 1 goes up, 3 goes down. Opposite sign is positive. X and minus plus 4. I can write it on the same. It's not going to affect it. Do I have another example? All right, so again, there is no fraction. Let's make it fraction. Y equals 1 over 5x minus 3. It will work. Over here, I don't have any numbers. So that means in front of x, we have 1. And I need fraction. So I'm going to add 1 as the denominator. So y equals 1 goes up, the other one goes down. Opposite sign, x plus 3, let's say. But I'm not going to leave my equation like that because minus 1 divided by 1 will give me negative 1. X plus 3. But 1, you don't have to write down in front of x. We can ignore it. So therefore, my answer would be just negative x plus 3. So that's the perpendicular line to that. All right, let's go ahead and do some practice.